Welcome to the course on Shopify dropshipping. This course is designed to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of how to set up and run a successful dropshipping business on the Shopify platform. Throughout this course, you will learn the fundamentals of creating a Shopify store, sourcing products from suppliers and dropshipping platforms, setting up your store with products to sell, and promoting your products to drive sales. We will also cover advanced topics such as tracking and analyzing your store's performance and optimizing your store for conversions and increased revenue. This course is suitable for individuals with no prior experience in e-commerce or dropshipping, as well as those looking to expand their existing business. We will start with the basics and progressively move on to more advanced topics, providing you with a solid foundation in the skills and knowledge needed to start and run a successful dropshipping business on Shopify. Each lesson will be accompanied by practical exercises and real-world examples to provide you with hands-on experience and the opportunity to apply what you have learned. We will also provide you with resources and guidance to help you continue learning and growing your business after the course. We are excited to have you on board and are looking forward to helping you build your own successful dropshipping business on Shopify. Setting up a Shopify account is a straightforward process. Here are the basic steps. Go to the Shopify website and click on the Start Free Trial button. Enter your email address and create a password to create your account. Provide your personal information, including your name and address, and select the type of business you will be running. Choose a pricing plan that best suits your needs. You can start with a free trial, then upgrade later if necessary. Customize your store by choosing a theme, adding pages, and setting up payment and shipping options. Add products to your store by either creating them manually or importing them from a CSV file. Set up a domain name for your store and make it live. After these steps, your store will be ready to receive orders and you can start promoting your products. Please note that these steps may be subject to change, and it's always better to check Shopify's official documentation. There are several ways to find a supplier or dropshipping platform to source products from when setting up a Shopify store. AliExpress. This is a popular platform for finding suppliers and products to dropship. You can find a wide variety of products at wholesale prices and work directly with Chinese manufacturers. Oberlo. This is a Shopify app that allows you to import products directly from AliExpress and fulfill orders with just a few clicks. SaleWho. This is a directory of suppliers and dropshipping companies that have been vetted for quality and reliability. Doba. This is a dropshipping platform that allows you to access products from multiple suppliers all in one place. Spocket. This is another app for Shopify that enables you to import products from various suppliers and fulfill orders with ease. Wholesale Central. This is a directory of wholesalers and dropshippers that you can use to find products to sell on your store. Contact a manufacturer. You can contact a manufacturer of a product directly to inquire about dropshipping arrangements. It's important to do your own research, compare prices and read reviews before choosing the supplier or platform that best suits your needs. Once you have found a supplier or dropshipping platform to source products from, you can set up your store to sell those products. Here are the basic steps to take. Log into your Shopify account and go to the Products section in the Admin dashboard. Click on the Add Product button to create a new product listing. Fill in the product information, including the title, description, price, and images. Make sure to include detailed and accurate information about the product to attract customers. Assign the product to a collection, so it will appear in the appropriate section of your store. Set up inventory and fulfillments for your products. If you are using a dropshipping platform, you can use their app or integration to manage your inventory and fulfillments. Create a pricing strategy. You can either set a fixed price or use dynamic pricing. It depends on your preference. Add the product to your store by going to the Online Store section of your Shopify admin dashboard and then navigate to the Product Pages or Collections section. Repeat this process to add more products to your store. Test your store by adding some products to your cart, proceed to checkout and make sure everything is working as expected. Once you've set up your store with products to sell, you can start promoting them and making sales. Please note that these steps may be subject to change, and it's always better to check Shopify's official documentation for more information. Promoting your products and making sales is a crucial part of running a successful dropshipping business on Shopify. Here are some strategies you can use to promote your products and increase sales. Search engine optimization, SEO. Optimizing your product pages and store for search engines can help drive organic traffic to your store. Use relevant keywords, meta tags, and backlinks to improve your store's visibility. Social media marketing. Share your products on social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Use paid advertising options to reach a larger audience. Influencer marketing. Partner with influencers in your niche to promote your products to their followers. Email marketing. Build an email list and send regular newsletters to your subscribers promoting new products, sales, and discounts. Content marketing. Create valuable content such as blog posts and videos that can help attract potential customers to your store. Paid advertising. Use paid advertising platforms such as Google Ads and Facebook Ads to drive targeted traffic to your store. Offers and discounts. Use offers and discounts to attract customers. For example, you can use free shipping or discounts as a way to entice customers to make a purchase. It's important to test different strategies and track your results to see what works best for your store. Remember that a combination of different strategies can be more effective than relying on one. Please note that these are general strategies, and it's always better to check the best practices for your niche to make the most out of your promotion campaigns. Tracking and analyzing your store's performance is an important part of running a successful dropshipping business on Shopify. It allows you to identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions to optimize conversions and increase sales. Here are some key metrics that you should track and analyze. Traffic. Track the number of visitors to your store, where they are coming from, and what pages they are viewing. This will give you an idea of how well your promotion efforts are working and where to focus your efforts. Conversion rate. Track the percentage of visitors who make a purchase on your store. A low conversion rate may indicate issues with your product pages or checkout process that need to be addressed. Average order value. Track the average amount of money customers spend per order. This will give you an idea of the potential revenue your store can generate. Return on ad spend, ROAS. Track how much revenue is generated for every dollar spent on advertising. This will help you determine which advertising channels are most effective for your store. Customer lifetime value. Track the total revenue generated by a customer over the entire time they continue to do business with you. This will give you an idea of the potential revenue your store can generate over the long term. You can use Shopify's built-in analytics and apps such as Google Analytics to track and analyze these metrics. It's important to regularly check these metrics and make adjustments to your store and marketing strategies as needed. By tracking and analyzing your store's performance, you can make data-driven decisions to optimize your store and increase sales. After completing this course, you will have a comprehensive understanding of the skills and knowledge needed to set up and run a successful dropshipping business on Shopify. To further solidify your understanding and give you the opportunity to put your newfound skills into practice, we will now introduce you to the course project. The course project will consist of setting up and promoting your own Shopify dropshipping store. You will be guided through the process of creating a store, sourcing products, setting up inventory and fulfillments, and promoting your store using various strategies. Additionally, you will also learn how to track and analyze your store's performance and make data-driven decisions to optimize conversions and increase sales. This project will provide you with hands-on experience and the opportunity to apply the skills and knowledge you have learned throughout the course. Not only will it give you a better understanding of how to run a successful dropshipping business on Shopify, but it will also serve as a valuable addition to your portfolio. We understand that starting a business can be challenging, but we will be providing you with guidance and support throughout the project to ensure your success. So, let's get started and build your own successful dropshipping business on Shopify. Project: Setting up and promoting a Shopify dropshipping store. In this project, you will put into practice the skills and knowledge you have learned throughout the course by setting up and promoting your own Shopify dropshipping store. Task 1: Setting up your store. Sign up for a Shopify account and choose a pricing plan. Choose a theme for your store and customize it to reflect your brand. Set up payment and shipping options. Source products from a supplier or dropshipping platform and add them to your store. Set up inventory and fulfillments. Test your store by adding products to your cart and proceeding to checkout. Task 2: Promoting your store. Optimize your store and product pages for search engines using SEO techniques. Share your products on social media platforms and use paid advertising options to reach a larger audience. Partner with influencers in your niche to promote your products. Build an email list and send regular newsletters to your subscribers promoting new products, sales, and discounts. Create valuable content such as blog posts and videos to attract potential customers to your store. Use paid advertising platforms such as Google Ads and Facebook Ads to drive targeted traffic to your store. Task 3. Tracking and analyzing. Track your store's performance using Shopify's built-in analytics and apps such as Google Analytics. Analyze your results and identify areas for improvement. Continuously test and optimize your store to improve conversions and increase sales. This project will help you gain hands-on experience in setting up and promoting a dropshipping store on Shopify, as well as an understanding of how to track and analyze your store's performance to optimize conversions and increase sales. Congratulations on completing the Shopify dropshipping course. Throughout this course, you have learned the fundamentals of setting up and running a successful dropshipping business on the Shopify platform. You have learned how to create a Shopify store, source products from suppliers and dropshipping platforms, set up your store with products to sell, and promote your products to drive sales. You have also learned advanced topics such as tracking and analyzing your store's performance and optimizing your store for conversions and increased revenue. Additionally, the course project provided you with hands-on experience and the opportunity to apply the skills and knowledge you have learned throughout the course. We hope that this course has provided you with a solid foundation in the skills and knowledge needed to start and run a successful dropshipping business on Shopify. Remember that starting a business can be challenging, but with the right knowledge and strategies, you can achieve success. We encourage you to continue learning and growing your business after the course. There are many resources available online and in the Shopify community that can help you stay up to date with the latest trends and strategies. We wish you all the best in your dropshipping journey and hope that you will continue to grow and scale your business. Thank you for choosing this course, and we hope to see you again soon.